Looking for the best way to get straight, clean cuts without spending a fortune on a full track saw system? Today I'm ranking 5 popular guide rail and track accessories from weakest to best, so you can pick the one that actually fits your workshop. This one sits at the bottom of our ranking, and that's the Kreg KMA2700. It's not bad, it's just the most basic option in this lineup, so it lands in the weakest spot when you compare it to everything else here. What it does really well is take a normal circular saw and help you cut straighter than you ever could by hand. You line up the track, drop your saw on the sled, and suddenly your cuts look cleaner and more controlled. For weekend projects, small furniture builds, or trimming down boards, that's a huge step up from freehand cutting. Where it falls behind the others is range and precision. The track is shorter than most, so it's not ideal for cutting big sheets of plywood, and it doesn't feel quite as solid or refined as the longer aluminum rail systems higher on the list. If you're chasing perfect cabinet level accuracy, this one can feel a little limited. This is a good pick for beginners or casual DIY users who just want straighter cuts without a complicated setup or a big investment. But if you want more length, more stability, or more flexibility, let's move up the list. By the way, you'll find links to all the products from this review at the best available prices down in the description under the video. Next up is the Milescraft system, and this one already feels like a step forward from the Kreg. It's still an add-on for your circular saw, but it feels sturdier and more focused on accuracy. The rail is a bit longer, the aluminum feels more rigid, and it's designed to handle straight cuts, bevel cuts, and angled cuts with more control. That makes it better for furniture projects, shelving, or anywhere where your cuts need to line up just right. Its main downside is that it still isn't very long, and it doesn't work with every saw out there, especially some of the bigger rear handle styles. So while it's more capable than the entry-level option, it still has limits if you work with large panels or different saw types. This one's great for hobby woodworkers who want better accuracy and flexibility than most basic systems, but don't need a full-size rail setup. And before we jump into the next one, if you're finding this helpful, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future reviews like this. Now this one's different, and that's why it sits right in the middle of the ranking. Instead of guiding the saw in a straight line, this system guides how wide your rip cuts are, letting you make repeatable, perfectly spaced cuts again and again. If you're cutting multiple boards to the same width, like for flooring, shelving, or panel work, this is a huge time saver. Once it's set, you can move from cut to cut without measuring every time, and the accuracy is impressive. The trade-off is that it doesn't replace a normal guide rail. It's a specialized tool, not a general one. So if you only want straight cuts, or if you don't already use a track system, it might not be the right fit on its own. This is best for people who already own a track rail and want to speed up production work or repetitive cutting. If you're more about long straight cuts across big panels, the next two are more your style. This is where things start to feel serious. The Evolution system gives you a long, stable rail that can handle full-size sheet materials with ease, and it does it at a very friendly price. It comes with 2 long sections, connectors, clamps, and even a carry bag, so you're basically ready to go right out of the box. The self-aligning connectors are especially nice because they help keep the rail straight without a lot of fiddling. The only real downside is that the clamps and finish aren't quite at premium level. And if you're extremely picky about tiny tolerances, you might notice that it's not quite as refined as the very top option. This is perfect for serious DIY users or semi-professionals who want long, straight cuts without paying premium brand prices. It's a strong all-around system, and for many people, it's more than enough. And finally, at the top of the list, the POWERTEC rail set. This one takes the #1 spot because it offers professional level length and stability, and it integrates well with very dedicated track saw systems. The rails are long, straight, and solid, making them ideal for cutting large panels, long boards, and sheet goods with confidence. If you already use a plunge-style track saw, this system fits right into that workflow and gives you consistent, clean results. It doesn't include extras like clamps or bags, and you might need adapters depending on your saw. But in terms of pure guiding performance and compatibility with Pro Tools, it stands above the rest. This is the best choice for professionals, serious woodworkers, or anyone who wants their setup to feel as close to a true track saw system as possible. If you want the best results, check out the top options using the links in the description under the video. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next review.